Hello everyone, today we're going to make some bird houses and we're going to use our Easter egg boxes that I've finished with so we can recycle them to make bird houses, okay? So you're going to need a box like this one with a hole in, but first we're going to make the hole a little bit bigger by cutting it out, okay? Then you're going to get some A4 paper and you can draw a little design, whatever you like, and you're going to use sellotape to stick it onto your box, okay? Just like that. When you've done that, we're going to make a roof, so you get your A4 paper again. And you're going to fold it in half. Then you can draw your roof. And we're going to use sellotape again to put it on the box. Now you can, if you want to, cover all the sides. And when it's finished, you might want to get some grass, some hay, fill it up so it's nice and comfortable for the birds. Then pop it outside and watch to see if they visit. Have fun, bye bye.